To solve this, I'm going to use both the shorter method of solving this and the longer method of solving this. So therefore, I'm going to use the American method, and then we have the British method. So for the American method, let's write down the question again. So for the American method, what we do is we divide both sides by the coefficient of, we divide both sides by 3. So we say this is divided by 3. 3 will cancel 3, remaining what? X minus 3. So we have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 5. So we have is equal to 5. So we say X is equal to, this one will cross to this side and change to what? Plus. So have S is equal to 5 plus 3. Therefore, S is equal to 8. This is the American method. Now, for the British method, we write the question again. 3 into bracket X minus 3 is equal to 15. So, what we do is that we will expand the bracket by saying 3 times X is 3X minus 3 times 3 is 9 is equal to 15. So we say 3x, this will cross to this side and change to what? Plus, to have is equal to 15 plus 9. To have 3x is equal to 24. You divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. 3 cancel 3, will have x is equal to 24 divided by 3 is what? 8. The same answer, different method. So you have to decide which method you prefer using to solve linear equation. Bye!